Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Healthy Lifestyle with Santana, where I talk about juices, smoothies and everything natural. So today I'll be showing you guys a recipe that helps cleanse your body, detoxify all the toxins, like take it all out, just make you feel better overall, just improve your health. Especially summer's coming up, you know, we all want to feel better, feel healthy. So I've got a nice recipe for you guys. It consists of ginger, pears, cucumbers. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so for the ingredients, you're going to need half a cucumber. You're going to need 2 thin slices of this ginger. You're going to need 4 of these pears. You're going to need your bullet or your blender. You're going to need a strainer to juice it. Because obviously I'm not using a juicer and I'm just using a blender, you're going to have to strain it. And yeah, and your juice. So let's get started. So basically I decided not to strain it. Obviously there wasn't any point because I had a blender. I thought it was just best to just have it like this because it gives you more fibre as well. So, you know, if you're having any trouble going to the toilet, definitely drink this drink. It's really, really nice. It's very thick. There's no pips, obviously, there's nothing. It's just fibrous and it's really healthy for you. So it will definitely cleanse out all the toxins in your body and just make you feel much more better, to be honest with you. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you try this and how it tastes for you. Let me know if you do anything differently. So yeah, see you guys next time and stay tuned for another video. Bye.